It is day 24 of the Stretch It Out Advent Calendar. Here is your last stretch of the series. It's all about wrists and hands, all of that opening presence, gripping the steering wheel, typing on the keyboard. I want to give you a little relief on the go. You're going to take your hands just like you're praying and trying to keep the palms together. As you bring your hands down, keep your shoulders relaxed, pull your elbows up, and see how far you can bring your hands down without pulling the hands apart. There's a nice wrist stretch for you. I actually feel that in my underarm as well. And just take a couple of breaths there. Hold that. And then as you bring your arms up, you're going to flip your hands around, keeping the tops of the hands together. Pull down on your elbows, kind of like a wine corker. Relax the shoulders. And try to push the wrists up without pulling them apart. And you're going to get a nice stretch through the tops of the hands, tops of the wrists, even down the forearms. You can flip and reverse. Do this 2 or 3 times in a row and just kind of hold for a slow count of 10. And then flip them up and reverse it. This is a great way to alleviate some of that stress and tension, repetitive strain injury from doing the same thing over and over again with your hands, with your wrists, a lot of times one hand more than the other. But it's the small, simple changes that lead to the big results in your life so you can feel good again. As you move forward into this new year, remember that every little bit counts. Every little bit of effort, every little bit of intention, every little move that you decide to add into your day will add up to a life worth living. And you, my friend, are designed to move, designed to breathe, designed to live this great life. But it's your job to decide to do that. I hope you join us in more great videos here on social. You can also visit us over at mothertruckeryoga.com if you are ready to jumpstart your life in the new year. Merry Christmas.